Hi all. So in the last video we have executed this program. Okay. And now in this video we are going to print another new pattern. So let me draw first. So this is the pattern we are going to print. So in our earlier videos we have printed this many patterns where we used to print we used to print the values or values or symbols from smaller number to the larger number, right? Like here in first row we are printing only one value. Here also in the first row we are printing only one value, right? One symbol. So now in this video we are going to do is we will go from the larger number to the smaller number. For the first row we will print 4 stars, the second row 3, then 2, then 1. Okay, we will go like this. So again we need two for loops. One is to count the number of rows and another is to count the number of symbols that we are going to print in each row, right? Okay, so let's do it. So this is the code for our previous video. Let's run it once. Yeah, it's working fine. So we just need to do some small changes. As we are not going to print any values, so we don't need this variable. We are not printing the value. Instead we are printing the stars with one space, and it will get it. Okay, so I for loop is correct because we are going from one row to the fourth row, right? So we are using 4 rows. One more thing, if you want to take the number of rows from the user, then you can initialize a variable, and you can ask the user to uh, put the value, and that you can use instead of 4. Okay, that you can do. Okay, for this pattern we need to change some, we need to do some modification in the j for loop. Okay, so as we are printing 4 stars, right? 4 stars in the first row. So just instead of using 1, instead of initializing j value with 1, just initialize with 4, and instead of using greater than, just use j is greater than equal to I. Yeah, I, and j minus minus. So what we are doing in this for loop is, first uh, j is initially the value of j is 4, right? So it will check whether 4 is greater than equal to 1 or not, because the value of I is 1, right? So it will check whether 4 is greater than equal to 1 or not. It is true, it will go down, it will go inside the for loop, j for loop, and it will print 1 star. Okay, then again it will go here, j minus minus, 4 will be decreased to 3. Again it will check 3 is greater than equal to 1 or not. Again it will be true, so it will print another star. So like that it will uh, continue until the condition will be false. Okay, and after terminating this for loop, it will go next this print statement, it will print the next line. So again it will go to the I for loop, and now the value of I will be increased by 1. Initially it was 1, now it will become 2. Okay, then it will check the condition whether 2 is less than equal to 4 or not. The condition is true, then it will go inside the I for loop. Then again the j for loop will be executed one more time, and this time the j for loop will be go from 4 till 2, because the now the value of I is 2, right? So it will go from the 4 till 2. So like that it will print all the stars. So let's execute it. Just Ctrl S and run a Java application. So we got the output, right? So for the first time it will go from 4 to 1. Okay, so it will print 4 stars. Then it will go from 4 to 2. It will print 3 star. Okay, 4, 3 and 2. Then it will go from 4 to 3, so it will print only 2 stars, and lastly it will go from 4 to 4, because the value of 5 will the maximum value of 5 will is 4, right? Is greater than equal to, so it's the maximum value of I is 4, so it will print only 1, because when the value of I is 4, so it will go from 4 to 4, right? So condition is true only for one time, so it will print only 1 star, and after that both the uh, for loop will be terminated, because the condition will be false. Okay, so I hope you can also execute this program without any error. If you get any error during the process, then you can write down that in the comment. So that's all for today's video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.